Manage your digital catalog. Open your admin panel and log in with your credential. Over here you need to enter your email ID and password. After adding email ID and password, you need to click on login button, and once you clicking on login button, you have your admin panel on your screen, from which you can manage your digital catalog. To manage digital catalog, you need to click on left hand side digital catalog button. Once you click on digital catalog button, you are going to redirect at the another panel from where you can manage your profile. Over here you can see the multiple profiles by which you can manage your digital catalog. Over here, first is the category, by which you can create category for your business, like which kind of product or service you are providing, in which there are particular falls in one category. So you can click over here and create category as per your requirement. After that, there is a product section by which you can create your product and services based on your requirement. For that you need to click on product section, and to add new product, click over here and you can upload products from admin panel. Then after, there is a setting option for which you can manage your entire digital catalog, like over here you can manage your business detail, then the view for the particular catalog, and the order and checkout setting. So you can manage your catalog profile from setting as per your requirement. Then after, language option is there. If you want to show your catalog in multiple language, at that time you can use this language button, and by clicking on language you can add multiple language in your catalog, by which customer can select particular language to view as per their requirement. Over here you can check that view website, view catalog, and view QR landing page option is there. If you want to see your single page website, means your profile, for that you need to click on view website option, and over here you can check your website, but right now there is not having data as you not add anything over here. Once you add all the details, your details will be available on this profile. Then after, catalog is there. To check your catalog, click on view catalog button. Once you click on view button, your catalog profile is visible. Right now data is not available. Once we add all the data, you will get the details over here. Then after, landing page detail is there, so that you can give your personal details or business profile in a QR code. So by clicking that, your profile will be displayed like this, and these details will be taken from the QR profile over here. So as per your requirement, if you want to manage your digital profile, for that you need to comes to the main panel over here, and by which you can manage your details as per your need. Here all the details from which you can manage your digital catalog. Starting from language option, how to add language in catalog. To add multiple language in catalog, you need to click on multi-language option. Once you click on language option, over here if you add all language details, you will have list of language over here, and to add new language, click on add new button. Once you click on add new button, language box is open, in which you need to select preferred language which you want to show in your catalog. Once you click on that, available language list is shown. So whatever language you want to provide to the customer, you need to just select that particular language and click on the profile. After selecting language, you need to click on submit button, and once you click on submit button, your language list is created. So as per your requirement, you create multiple language in your profile. And now when you see your catalog, over here you have language option, by which customer can select the language as per their need, and all the details which is available in particular language will show to the customer. So from language option you can add multiple language. If you want to hide particular language in catalog, for that you need to use the status button. If you don't want to show Hindi language or English on the profile, just need to click this button off, and now the profile is disabled from the menu. So as per your requirement, you can hide an active language from the language list. If you want to delete particular language on a permanent base, just click on delete button, and after confirming the delete, your website, your language is deleted. So as per your requirement, you can add, update and delete language from the language list. For adding multiple language, you just need to select the language and click on submit button. So over here you learn that how to manage languages in catalog. After language, now we are see that how to add category in digital catalog. To add category in digital catalog, you need to click on category button. Once you click on category button, list of category will be show in this box. Right now there is not have any category, so not available list. Once you add details, you will have the list of all the categories by which you can manage. In category there are two type of category. One is parent category and second is child category or subcategory. In parent category, if you have multiple category, and in those category subcategories also available. Like if we are talking about the fashion or garment business, so in that if you have jeans as a category and in subcategory male and female, so you can create category as per your requirement using parent and subcategory. First we learn that how to create parent category. To create parent category or subcategory, click on add new button. Once you click on add new button, over here form is open in which you need to enter details. First click on choose button to upload image. Once you click on choose button, you need to upload image. After uploading image, crop the area as per your requirement and come click on crop button. Once you click on crop button, your image is submitted. If you want to remove this image and add new one, for that click on delete button, and by confirming the yes delete it, your selected image is removed. So as per your requirement, you can remove and add images in category. So by adding image, just select the area and click on crop button. After that there is a parent category button. So when you are adding parent category itself, at that time you don't need to select any option over here. So right now we are adding parent category, so over here you did not select to anything in parent category button. Then after order button is there. For that you need to enter sequence in which you want category. Like if you want this category on a first number, you need to enter 1 as a order. If you want this category as a second number, so enter second number, 2 number as order. Make sure that order is in sequence, means two category did not have the same number or missing number, so that your sequence can be managed properly. In order you need to enter sequence as per your requirement. So right now we are adding 1 as a sequence. Then after click on add more button to enter category name. Once you click on add more button, over here you need to enter category button, and in language you need to select particular language in which you want to show this name. Like after adding name, you need to select particular language in which you want to show this name. So I want to show this name in English, so I am selecting English as a name. You need to select whatever language you want this name in selection of particular language. After that, if you want to add multiple language name, for that need to click on plus button and select the language as per your requirement. Like if you want to select Hindi as a language, so enter name in Hindi. So whatever language you select, you need to enter language in that particular name. So whenever customer select that particular language, at that time this name will be disabled, sorry, this name will be show as particular language. So as per your requirement, you need to select a language and enter name in box. After verifying all the details, you need to click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, your category is created. So if we see in a catalog, over here you can check that beverages is available, and when you select English, language will be updated. So as per your requirement, you can create a category in admin panel. Here we check that how to enter main category or parent category. Now we are creating subcategory. In to create subcategory, click on category button, and when you want to create subcategory, click on add new button. Once you click on add new button, you need to select first image for that particular category. After selection of image, specify the area which you want and then click on crop button. After selecting image, when you create subcategory, at that time you have the list of all the category which is available in your website. So for that, first you need to select whatever category you want as a parent for this category. So right now I want beverages as a parent category, so select whatever category you want to make as a parent for this particular category. So in category list you need to select particular category. Then after, order sequence means in at which position you want to show this subcategory. So over here you need to enter 1 2 3 as a sequence, and make sure this sequence is a proper, so that every category will be available as per sequence set. If there is a multiple number at the same time, at that time your sequence may be affected and not show as added in order. So in sequence you need to enter particular order number. Then after, click on add more button to enter name. Over here you need to enter name. Then after, select language. I want to show T as the English language, so I am selecting English. As per your need, you need to select particular language and enter name in that language. After that, click on plus button to add more language. Over here you need to select Hindi and enter name in Hindi. So over here you can enter multiple language as per your requirement. If you want to remove particular name, so click on delete button, and once you click on delete button, that name will be removed. To enter name you need to click on plus button and select particular language and enter name. So adding details, verify all the details properly, and by clicking on submit button your subcategory is ready. Right now in catalog you can see that this beverages have subcategory as a T. So when you select English, your name will be updated in English. So whenever you create subcategory, at that time selection of main category, subcategory will be display. If you have multiple category, all the list will be display over here, and subcategory list will be display over here. So as per your need you can create main category and subcategory in catalog. So here you learn that how to enter category and subcategory in your website catalog, digital catalog. In category option, there is also option available in adding, edit, delete and status. If you want to hide particular category from the catalog, you just need to click this button off, status button off, and your category is disabled from the catalog. Now when you visit your catalog, you can see that subcategory is hidden. So as per your requirement, you can disable the category by clicking this button off, and to activate, click this button on. If you edit particular category, click on edit button, and whatever details you want to change, just update the detail and click on submit button, and your changes will be updated. To delete category, click on delete button. Once you click on delete button, by confirming yes delete it, your category will be deleted on a permanent base. So as per your requirement, you can manage your category from category list. After adding category, now we are going to learn how to add product or service in your catalog. You can use this catalog for a multiple business, like if you have a service business or a product business or any business you want to add details in your catalog, you can enter from here. As per your requirement, you can use this catalog for a service based business also, and if you want to use as a product based business, it can be possible to use this catalog. To enter product or service, you need to click on product section. So click on product section to manage your product. Once you click on product, you need to enter products over here. How to add products? So to add product, you need to click on add new button. Once you click on add new button, over here form of particular product will be open, and you can enter details as per your requirement. How to add product in your catalog? To add product, you need to click on product button. Once you click on add product button, over here you have add new button, by which you can create product. In product section you can create two kind of product. First is a simple product and second one is a attribute product. Simple product means there is not have any option to select with that particular product. And attribute product means whenever you want to add a product with the multiple options, like if you are adding a fashion products like a jeans or t-shirt, at that time you can create attribute like size or color. So as per your requirement you can create attribute product also, and you can create simple product. First we are learn that how to add simple product. To add simple product you need to click on add new button. Once you click on add new button, here you have form details in which you need to enter details. First you need to select image, and to add image for the particular product, click on choose button. Once you click on choose button, you need to select image over here. After selecting image, specify the area which you want and click on crop button. You can enter multiple image if you want to add. To add multiple image you need to click on add more button, and by clicking on add more button, over here you have option to choose another image. So select image whatever you want and click on crop button. So as per your requirement you can enter multiple image if you have in your product. If you want to remove that particular image, click on erase button and your image will be deleted. And if you want to delete entire section, for that click on this button and your particular selected image will be deleted. So as per your requirement you can remove the image or remove the option also by clicking on delete button. And to add new image, click on add more button to add multiple images and single product. Then after, here is the price option in which you need to enter price. After adding price, there is a order sequence in which you want a products to display in a catalog. So make sure that every order sequence is unique and in a line, so that every product will be displayed as setted sequence over here. Then after, select category in which you want to display this product. Once you click on category, over here two option is there. If you want to add this product in T, so first you need to select parent category. Selecting parent category, you have the option of selecting subcategory. So over here I am going to select T as a subcategory. Then after, if this particular product is available in stock, so for that you need to click this button off. If this product is out of stock, at that time customer cannot make an inquiry on a WhatsApp for the particular product. So make sure that every product is available in stock to get inquiry from the customer. Then after, over here you need to enter product name, description and long description by which customer can read about your particular product. First you need to enter name, then after enter short description and add long description. So as per your requirement you need to enter short description and long description for particular product. Right now we are adding simple products, so for adding simple product you need not click to add new attribute products. Then after, enter name in Hindi language. After that you need to enter short description, whatever description you want in your particular added product. So as per your requirement you need to enter short description and long description in Hindi language for added product. So over here you need to enter your long description. After adding all the details, first verify the details that it will be correct, and by clicking on submit button your product is created. Now in catalog you can see that in category T product is available, and by clicking on that particular product, description name will be available and short description will be displayed when you change the view. Like if you click on switch to the list view with image, short description will be displayed over here, and once customer click on particular product, long description will be available. And by selecting other language, display will be available with the selected language. So as per customer selection, language will be updated. So over here you can add products as per your requirement. Now we are going to learn that how to add attribute product. For that you need to click on product button. Once you click on product button, you need to click on add new button. After that you need to select image first for the product you want to upload, and select the specific area whatever you want in a image. By clicking on crop button, image will be selected, and to add multiple image, click on add more button and choose the image what you want in a particular product. So as per your requirement, if you want to add multiple language or multiple images, at that time just click on add more button and add image by clicking on choose button. After that there is a price option in which you need to enter price for the particular product and sequence in which you want this product. So if you want this product as a second number in a subcategory, so at that time you need to select 2 as a number. If you want this as a first, so at that time manage first as a sequence. So as per your requirement you need to enter sequence number and make sure that there is not repeated any number in a product so that sequence can be used perfectly. Then after you need to select category in which you want to add this product. So over here I am selecting beverages as a category and tea as a subcategory. Then after over here you need to enter product name as per your requirement. Enter name over here for the particular product you want to add. Then after add a short description and add long description as per your requirement. Once you add short description and long description, you need to click on add attribute add button, and by clicking on attribute add button you have option to add attribute in a particular product, means variation. First you need to select if you want to show attribute image. By clicking on choose button, select particular image and click on crop button. Over here you can also add multiple image, and for that click on add more button and select image, and if you want to remove just click on delete button. Then after enter the name whatever you want to give to the particular attribute, like half cup, and enter description. So as per your requirement you can create multiple attribute, and for that click on attribute add and select particular image whatever you want to display in your particular product, and by clicking on crop button your image will be selected. Then after enter a name whatever you want to give to that particular attribute. Enter price and description. So over here you can create multiple attribute as per your requirement, and to create attribute just click on add attribute button and enter the details as per your requirement. Make sure that this product button is off, means available. If the product is in stock to and open in a website, click on this button, and if you don't want to show that particular attribute, click this button off. Once your product stock button is off, at that time customer cannot select that particular attribute, and to available you need to click this button off. So by switching this button you can manage product stock for particular attribute. Then after enter the details in a Hindi language. Enter name over here. After that you need to enter short description. Once you enter short description, enter long description as well. Description which you add is optional, so if you don't want to show description in your product you can skip this also, and click on attribute button to enter name in Hindi. Enter name. After that select the description what you want to add in your website. Then after click on attribute button to enter second attribute name. Enter name over here and select short description. So you can create multiple attribute as per your requirement by clicking on add attribute button and update the attribute name, price and description as per your requirement. So make sure that all the details will be perfectly, and by clicking on submit button your attribute product is created. Now when you check your catalog, you have the second product black tea as an attribute, and once you click on that you have option of half cup and full cup which you add in your catalog. So as per your requirement you can create multiple attributes and it will be look as customer select view from their side. So here you learn that how to enter simple product and attribute product in your catalog. You can use this catalog as a product based service, product based industry or service based industry as per your requirement. For that you need to create a category and add product or service in catalog, and to manage that you need to use this admin panel, and by adding the details as per your requirement you can use this catalog. After that there is a setting option in your catalog. How to manage settings in digital catalog? To manage setting in catalog you need to click on setting button, and once you click on setting buttons there are multiple details available in your profile. So starting with business and catalog setting, over here you need to enter logo whatever you want to display in your catalog. So click on image button and select logo as per your requirement, and by specify the area click on crop button, your logo will be updated. After that whatever name you want to add to the particular catalog you can enter over here. So enter your business name or other details what you show with your catalog. Then after enter contact number over here. First you need to select country code, whatever country code you have you need to select from the list. +91 is default and other country code can be selected as per your requirement. After that enter your WhatsApp number and select the catalog title. Catalog title is for whenever the customer open the catalog, at that time this catalog is defined at the particular title. Like if you want to show as a menu, product or service, so whatever industry you have, if you using in a restaurant business you can select menu. If you are using this catalog as a product based industry, so select product, and if you are using this as a service based industry, at that time select service. So right now I am selecting menu as a catalog, and in catalog item there is a multiple icon is available. For that if you want to use this as a menu, so select restaurant, and product, service and cart for industry which you are using this catalog. So right now selecting restaurant as a catalog, and after updating these details to click on update profile to manage your change. Now when you check your catalog here you can check that your logo is updated, and whenever customer visit the profile, at that time menu and icon is available in your profile. Here is your profile is there also, by which customer can check about your business, and menu and icon will be updated from here. Admin panel setting, catalog title and catalog icon is visible over here. This is catalog title and this is catalog icon. I am selecting menu and restaurant as icon. If I am selecting product as a title and product as a image, and now when I update the profile and visit the catalog, now you can check that icon will be updated and name will be as a product. So as per your requirement you can details manage as in a icon over here. So whenever customer click on that they are redirect to the main profile digital catalog, and when they click on a home page, at that time they can see your business profile. So to manage your title and image you need to update digital catalog title and catalog icon. So as per your requirement you can select title and icon. If you want to change the theme color for the particular catalog, to that you need to click on show change theme option, and over here you can select whatever color you want. You can select the predefined color from these boxes, or you can enter color code manually from here as per your requirement. And if you want to select the color from this box, it can be also possible. So as per your requirement, whatever color option is prefer from your side, select the color code and click on update profile. Now when you are visiting your catalog, you can see that digital catalog color is updated and profile also and in catalog also. So color can be updated from here as per your requirement, and title and icon will be updated whatever you set in your profile. Then after, there is a product and display setting, in which multiple views is available, like product listing display option. There is three type of display option: list view, list with image view and grid view. Here we check that how it's work. It is a list view. Then after, when you select it, second option, it is a list with a grid view, list with a image, and last is a grid view. So three type of view option is available in your catalog. So over here this option will be managed to give a option to the users. Like right now there is a three option in which customer can select as per their requirement. If you want to restrict a particular option from the panel, for that you need to unselect the particular option. Like if you don't want to show grid view, so unselect the grid view and click on update profile, and now when you visit your catalog, grid view is disabled. So as per your requirement, if you want to restrict user from switching this option, you need to manage the product listing display option and unselect the particular option if you don't want to show, and if you want to show, just select the particular option and click on update profile. And by updating your profile, you can check that all the option is available. So as per requirement, you can manage your display option from here. Then after, product display default view, that what kind of default view you want to give to the user when they whenever they open your digital catalog on a first time. So default view can be set from here. Right now list view is default, so whenever customer visit your catalog, at that time default view will be this. If you want to update with the list with the image view, select list with image view and click on update profile. Now whenever customer visit our catalog, default view will be updated, it will be show as per default selection, lead with a list with a image view. So as per your requirement, you can manage default view option by selecting particular view from the panel. After that, there is a option of show add to cart button. If you want to display this button add to cart, you need to select this button on, and if you don't want to show add to cart button, for that unselect the add to cart button option and click on update profile. By clicking on update profile, now you can check that add to cart button is disabled. So if you want to remove the add to cart button, unselect the particular option, and if you want to activate the button, you need to click this on and click on update profile, and button will be available. So as per your requirement, you can hide an active button by selecting this add to cart option. Then after, show category image on listing. If you want to show images on a category, this is the category images. If you want to display these images, this button should be selected, and if you don't want to display images with category name, at that time unselect the button and click on update profile, and now when you visit your profile, here your category image will be disabled. So if you don't want to show category images, at that time click this button off, and if you want to show all the images with the category name, so select this checkbox button and click on update profile, and now category has image also. So as per your requirement, you can remove images from the category by unselect the button, and by selecting the button, images will be displayed. Then after, order and checkout setting. In order and checkout button, there is a order on WhatsApp method, that how you want to get order from customer using WhatsApp. there is a first option is direct WhatsApp and second is WhatsApp with detail. If you using direct WhatsApp, at that time customer can make a order without adding their personal detail. Like I am selecting direct at a WhatsApp and click on update profile. Now when customer visit your catalog, at that time they need to click on add button, and once they click on view cart button, they have the option of dine in, pickup and delivery. If they want to come to the your particular place and want a product, at that time they are going to select dining. If they are pick up the product from their own side, they are selecting pickup, and if they want a delivery from your side, at that time they is selecting delivery and enter the address. If they select delivery, at that time they need to enter a delivery address, and in pickup and dine in they can enter not. And by clicking on order on WhatsApp, you will get the message from the customer, the whatever number you add in your admin panel. So it is a direct WhatsApp method by which customer can make a WhatsApp message by clicking on order on WhatsApp button. Now second is WhatsApp with detail. If you want a detail from the customer like their name, mobile number and address, at that time use WhatsApp with a detail option and click on update profile. And now you can see that when customer visit your catalog and add product, and by clicking on view cart button, they have option of name, mobile number and address, by which you will get the customer details. So as per your requirement, you can switch order method by selecting direct WhatsApp or WhatsApp with a detail. So if you want direct WhatsApp detail, just select this button, and if you want customer detail, or at that time you need to select WhatsApp with details. After that there is a checkout option available. So whenever you want to show pickup or delivery or dine in, so what kind of option you want to display to the customer, like right now there is a 3 option. So when you check your catalog, at that time in checkout option they have 3 option, 3 type of order in which they can select as per their requirement. So if you want to hide dine in or a delivery, so for that you need to manage from a panel, click on setting button and unselect the particular button in which you don't want to show option. Like if I don't want to show dine in and pick up, I just want a delivery option, at that time I am clicking on update profile. And now when you check your profile, over here only delivery option is there. So as per your requirement, you can manage order type from checkout option and select all if you want to display all the option. So by clicking on update profile, now in a profile there is a option with a dine in, pickup and delivery is available. So as per requirement, you can select particular option and manage inquiry from the customer side. So here we learn that how to manage setting for your digital catalog. So as per your requirement, you can edit, update the setting and click on update profile to make changes in your particular digital catalog. After that there is a option of online. Over here you can, if you don't want to show your particular timing, means you are available on a particular time, at that time you can use this button. If your store is online, at that time click this button on, and if you are not available for that timing, click this button off. Once you click on this button in your catalog, over here, sorry, we are not available or we are offline, status button is display, so that customer get idea that right now you are not delivery or managing order from your side. So as per your requirement, you can use this button to manage your business online and offline, and by clicking online, this information will be disabled. So as per your requirement, you can use this button to make your business offline or online.